My dear students,
Good morning, ma'am.
Before you take your seat, kita nyo kailangan ng day, ang dati rugiti kasi sirik tutugawan nyo, tapi doon nyo. Kan kailan nyo dahil kita tutugaw yun. Okay, let's check your attendance. Ada ba si absent?
Ma'am, my son is Starlight.
Okay. Anyone? Any more?
Ma'am ni Mark.
Okay. Awanan? Dabay?
Matawanan.
Okay. So let's proceed. Ada ba ngayon di assignment tayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pass your paper to the person in front of you. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? Okay, very good. So, let's review our topic yesterday. Ano ba yung topic tayo di Kalman? Can anyone tell me our topic yesterday?
Email.
Yes?
To the objects, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Can you tell me the definition of to the objects? Anyone? Anyone from the class? Yes, Althea?
These are objects that have length and width but has no depth or thickness.
Okay, very good. Can you give some examples? Anyone from the class? Yes, Althea? Yes, very good. Any more? Any more examples?
Ma'am, talaga
Yes, very good. O, Nyapay. Awanan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kaya di ba nga ang kanta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ang dati kanta, kanta tapos numalpas sa ang kanta, natayo, amin. Then, malpas tayo wat amin, kat nakayo to. Okay. Ano yung body tune Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Oh, let's. Ang kanta, mauna, sakbay tayo, ken, no magampot tayo, ay malpas tayo. Malpas tayo, kat nakayutan. Okay. I'll sing first. Yung cylinder, pyramid so tall, cone, prism, sphere, one and all, learning shape every single day, help us learn in a fun way. Let's build and create with shapes so fine, in math and arts they'll forever shine. Cube, cylinder, pyramid, and more, 3D shape we're learning for sure. Okay, nawakan nyo? Nala yun?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
dakayo betul. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Cube, cylinder, pyramid, so tall, cone, prism, sphere, one and all, learning shapes every single day, help us learn in a fun way. Let's build and create with shapes so fine, in math and art they forever shine. Cube, cylinder, pyramid, and more, 3D shapes we're learning for sure. Okay, da kayo muton. In 3, 2, 1, go. Sing.
Cylinder, pyramid so tall, cone, prism, sphere, one and all.
Go, sing.
Cube, cylinder, pyramid so tall, cone, prism, sphere, one and all, learning shapes every single day, help us learn in a fun way. Let's build and create with
we'll create with shapes so fine. In math and art they forever shine. Cube, cylinder, pyramids, and more. 3D shapes we're learning for sure. Okay, very good. So can you give clap for yourself? Okay, very good. Now, what do you observe or understand from the song that we sing? Anya lagi na observe kayo di kinanta tayo nga kinanta tayo nga song. Anyone? Anyone from the class?
Ma'am.
Yes, my friend?
Ma'am, it's all about cylinder.
Okay, anyone? Any more?
Ma'am, it is all about 3D shapes.
Okay, very good. Anyone? Yes?
Ma'am, it's all about three-dimensional objects.
Okay, very good. Three-dimensional objects are like, what is this? These are examples. Oh, it's a tape. How about this?
Cube.
Yes. How about this?
And tumbler.
Yes, very good. And how about this?
Globe.
Yes, very good. Okay, so what anyone can tell me our topic for today? Anyone? Yes, Althea.
Ma'am, about three-dimensional objects.
Okay, very good. But before that, I discuss first our objectives for this topic. Okay. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify the ages. You as students will be able to identify the ages, corners, and faces of the 3D objects. Okay. Letter B. Appreciate the importance of 3D objects in their daily lives. So you can appreciate the importance of 3D objects in your daily lives. Letter C, draw a three-dimension objects. Draw a three-dimension objects. Okay. At the end of the lesson, you as a student will be able to draw the three-dimensional objects. Okay, nawatan nyo? Okay. So our topic for today is three-dimensional objects. Three-dimensional objects in real world that has length, width, and depth. It also has edges, corners, and faces. In mathematics, three-dimensional objects are known as solid figures. So, ano ti three-dimensional objects? Dagiyay solid objects. Dagay makikita may giman tayo kan makikita tayo mo usar tayo ti everyday life. Okay, very good. Okay, tatay tayo mag-agalan kanya dagiyay 3D geometric shapes.
Ma'am,
Anya di
may I go out?
Okay. Okay, the number 1 is pyramid. O, basaan tayo mananya ti pyramid? It has made of rectangular Okay, very good. Ni pyramid kanugod, it is made up of 4 rectangular faces. Dati upat nga triangular faces natin may sanga base. O, tatan, kitang tayo man, kanya titsura ni. Anya di first na da tayo? Pyramid. Mabilin niya tulungan da, namang ikat dito tape na. Sinagting kaya niya pa. Okay, tatakitan tayo na niya titsura ni pyramid. Walang prepare ni teacher, awanti sumanao. Kita niyo nun niya ti aramidan ni teacher, nawatan niyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Nagaanos lagi students ko. pyramid ka no? At dati man mga triangular faces na? Mano? Five. Very good. Okay, pagkukunikan tayo, dagay faces ni pyramid. Habang okay. Kastoy itsura ti pyramid. Oh, kastoy ti itsura ni. Thank you very much, Ariana, for helping me. Kastoy kano ti itsura ni pyramid. Makita yo ti itsura ni pyramid. Itsura ni pyramid.
Yes,
O, kaya yung nga igaman?
Yes, ma'am.
O, sino? O, kita nyo. This is the pyramid. O, yung ipasang ka bigay na mga classmates mo. Kasan, i-drawing tayo. No, kasano ti itsura ni pyramid. O, first step,ag-draw tayo ng triangle. May sama na niya triangle. Idugtong tayo. Good. May sangan. Broken line. Tapno, makita ni itsura ni pyramid. Oh, nag-gets you ba? Sino hindi niya mag-try? Sino?
Ma'am.
Oh my God, Althea, try mo. Drawing ni Althea ti pyramid. May sanga triangle. May sanga triangle, then another triangle. Agura, Louis. Then broken line. Oh, very good. Naglain ni Althea nga drawing. Sino ba galing kaya? Oh my God. Lira. Kasi si drawing Lira. Triangle. May sanga triangle. Then broken lines. Another broken line. Very good. Naglalain kayo ang drawing. Okay. Next, nawatan niyo naman natin sa itsura ni pyramid.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And tayo mo nag-proceed kini cube. O, pakibasa tayo man ulit. Ano yung itsura ni cube?
It is made up of 6 square faces.
It
has 8 corners and 12 edges.
Mano ti faces ni Kwab? Ni cube? Agpapada ba nga Kwab? Agpapada ba ti itsura da?
No.
Yes, agpapada ti itsura da ta? They are 6 square faces. So, dagito, yan yung ti itsura ti square. Dagito, iti square. So, dati, mano dito yung bilangan tayo man?
1, 2, 3, 4.
O, mano word di ay?
4.
Tan. Sino titingnan mo niya magbuugin ni Q? May titik sa mo. Sino? Yes, Ariana. Very good. Nag-active ni Ariana. You come here. You come in front. Ikatad na kayo dagi ay tape na. Tadati. Pagkaputan na jay. Square tayo. Jay, cube tayo. Cube, you listen. Kita nyo no kas anong nga buuan. Nawatan nyo kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Nagtutulnog na dito yung students ko. Okay, go. Sino nagala dito do mga parts na? Give me that. very good. Naglain ni Ariana nga mangbuo iti cube. Kasto iti itsura ni cube. O, manong ti face ni cube? Is 6, square, faces. Bilangan tayo mano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O, iban tayo no? Ayan na ti corner na tan, cube. Sige, bilangan tayo manan. Dahito ti corner na. Dahito, parang sa sabatan dagiyay. Dagiyay pa na. Okay, bilangan tayo mano ti corner na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. O, correct ba din surat ni teacher ditoy?
Yes.
Okay, hindi mo ti edge na. Naman ti edge ni cube. O, bilangan tayo manan. Dahito ti edge na. Dahito. O, bilangan tayo man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, correct ba? 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next, hintayo mo ini. Yang ato ti next. Rectangular prism. Basahan tayo man na ti definition ni rectangular prism.
It is made up of 4 rectangular faces and 1 square face. It can also be made up of 6 rectangular faces. It has 8 corners and 12 edges.
Okay. Ni rectangular prism kanulat at dati 4 rectangular faces na. Bilangin tayo man ti 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, ada kanuti base na nga square. O, square ba dahil ito eh?
Yes.
Mano dito yung square?
2.
Okay, 2. O, mabalito lang nga amin nga side faces na ket rectangle. O, sino nga yung ti aking gayam na sino nga yung ay, ang gayam. Kaya ito ba mag-drawing iti cube?
Yes,
Okay, so gayam nun yan tikas ano ti drawing iti cube. First, drawing ka ti may isang square. Tapos may isang lang square na overlap. Then, connect mo di corners na. Connect man in the corner and the corner. O, dahil tati tsura ni cube, no? I-drawing tayo. Sino tinggan niya drawing ni cube? Okay, ni manang tayo nga lira. Square. May sama na niya square. Then, connect the corners. Very good. Naglain talaga ni lira. Basta nag-move tayo mo. Kini rectangular prism nga dati form nga rectangular faces na kun. Duwa nga square faces. Sino dating kaya sunod nga garamid? O from this side. Yes,
Ma'am.
JL. Very good. O, may katay-katay sa kailang first. Dahitoy, 8 na. Okay, tatan, ibuo ni manong tayo nga JL. Nanya picture ni rectangular prism. Okay, very good. Nagmaya, inaramid ni JL. Okay. Bilangan tayo, no, agpay subang, ada iti 8 na corner, pin 12 edges ni rectangular prism. First, bilangan tayo kat ni corner. O sige, ulit, bilang tayo manan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. O, ano di ay? 8. Ano di nga 8? Corners. Very good. O, ito mo si edges. O, 1,
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
ni rectangular prism?
Yes.
Sino man ang taking dyan ng drawing? Yes, Presley. Drawing the rectangular prism. Rectangle. May isang rectangle again. Then connect the corners. Very good. Nagdaing talaga ni Presley. Sino pa taking kaya? Sino? Any other hands?
Ma'am.
Okay, JL. Wow, nagmamayat ni Drawing. Sino pa taking kaya? Kagabay? Sino pa? Sige, niliramanan ka na ulit. Active talaga ni Lira. Sino pa? Naglaing, nagmayat pa ni Drawing na. Rectangle. Connect the corners. Very good. Naglalain kayo. Tatan, hintay mo kini sphere. Pakibasa tayo man lupas ang titsura ni sphere.
It has a curved surface but does not have any edge or corners.
Kunana ni sphere kanukot a dati curve na surface na pa-round. Awan ka ti edge na like this. Awan ti edge na. Kun awan mo lang ti corner na. So ang nakatitsura ni sphere. Tatan, ang drawing tayo. Lupas ano ni sphere. Ni sphere panukot at dati curved surface na. Kastoy ni sphere. Dapat ko dito dapat corner na kung edge na awan.
Awan, ma'am.
Anya ti things na magita yung kastoy. Teacher na.
Circle. Ball.
Ball. Very good na pa.
Balloon, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Kaya ito ba ang drawing the sphere? Yes. Nagdalain na talaga. Circle. Then, very good. Okay, sino pa taking kaya? Sino pa? Yes, Ariana. Okay, very good. Ada pa bakin kayo nag-drawing? Awanan. Yes, Andrea. Hayat mo? Or you come in front? Drawing cutting. Circle. Wow. Naglaing. Nagpinta si drawing ni Andrea. Very good. Nagpipinta si drawing niyo. Tatan, hintayo mo kini. Nyati next? Cylinder. Nyati ko na ni cylinder.
It has two circular faces, two curved edges that has no corners.
Kunana kanu ni cylinder kanu kat adati duwa nga circular faces na. Dati duwa nga circular faces na. Tapos, dati curved surface na. Akin kaya niya mangbuukin ni cylinder.
Siya.
You come in front, in rows. First, ikatantaman ng jay. Very good. Ah. Okay, kastoy itsura ni nya daytoy.
Cylinder.
Very good. Oh, tatan. Ag-proceed tayo mo ti drawing ni cylinder. Drawing tayo. Tas damdama ay bakmanan di naglaing nga drawing. Sino nga ta? First, nakan mo ti duwa nga circular faces na. Duwa nga circular faces. Tapos, connect. Connect. Oh, tatan. Dapat ti corner ni kwa cylinder?
No.
Awan. Dapat ti curved edges na?
Yes.
Ay, ini ti curved edge na. Mano di ay?
Two.
Wow. O, sino ti akong ganyan drawing? O, Presley again. Circular face. Circular face. And connect. Very good. O, sino pa yung kaya? Althea. Ni Jane Rosmer, TJ Cabanir. O, you come in front. Stay here. Circular face. Circular face. Connect. Wow, nagtakto di cylinder niya. Nagpintas mo di cylinder ni Althea. Wow, o tatan. Awatan niyo no kasalon di cylinder na pictura na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hintay mo i next. Saan niya katati next? Ni?
Cold.
Nanati ko na ni Cole.
It has one circular face, a curved surface, one corner, and a curved edge.
O tatan, sino man yung dating kaya namang buhay ni Cole? And the other hand? Yes, Althea. Dakan mo ti may isang circular face na. Okay, very good. Naglaing. O, tatan. Dakan mo may isang circular face na. Good. Curve. Surface. Ayun na nga tati corner na. Ayun na. Dahil two iti corner na. Dahil ito yung ti curve edge na. O, tatan. Kaya kumanan nga drawing nun niya teacher ni corner.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Ang drawing tayo man nito pa sa ano ni? Corner. Ay, cone. Tatan, sorry, nagkamali ni teacher. Tatan, ang drawing tayo ng teacher ni cone. Dati may isang circular face na. And dry. O, tatan, kaya kumot niya drawing? Sino? Lira. Sino pa? Okay, Presley, dito yung kababa. Sino pa? Jean Rose. Sino pa yawanan? Andrea. Wow, nag-activity students ko.
Ano nga natin, 3D objects, an-answer ka dito, hindi ka mo.
Quiet. No bullying. Banti kasta. Okay, wow. Naglalaing. Nagsasabaliti. Ano din drawing nyo? Cone. O, tatan. Ano ba makikita yung makastoy titsura ng abanag? Dito. Volcano niya pa. Di kasto niya. Ice cream. Ano ba yata? Mountains. Very good. Okay. Tatan, naawatan yung garod na niya 3D objects. Okay, tatan na dati activity tayo. Dati activity in prepare the teacher. Ang answer niyo. Okay, the direction is you fill in the blank inside the box the missing word or term. Example dito, pyramid. Dati corners na nga, 5. Tapos, ang damuti edges na nga, 8. Try tayo answeran. Dati, 8.
1.
1. Very good. Naglalaing. O, tapos manong yung triangular face ni pyramid?
4.
4. Wow, naglalaing kayo talaga. 4. O, kas dyan, ikasta tayo. Patatan, sino taken kayo ng mga answer team? Q.
Ma'am.
Sino ulit?
Ma'am.
Okay, ni JL pa lang first. Okay, i-check tayo man. Manuti corners ni cube.
8, ma'am.
Sure kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. 8. Correct me. The answer ni JL. Patatan, Indemuti. Manuti square faces ni cube. 6. Very good. Naglalain kayo. Nagganod kayo nga ang gusto. Okay, sino nga tati? Sino bigyan yung mga answer dito next? O, Althea. Quiet. Okay, check tayo man. Ano dito yung surat ng ating 3D shape?
Rectangular prism.
Okay, dito tayo ni rectangular prism. Bilang tayo ulit from the inbuo kayo tay. O dakanuti, naman yung kabil ng edge ni kwa rectangular prism.
12.
Bilang tayo man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Correct ba the answer ni Ate?
Yes.
Very good. O tan, sinuwati next.
Ma'am.
Lira. Okay, very good. Correct ba the answer ng awanti corner ka ni sphere?
Yes, ma'am.
Anya ba teacher ni sphere?
Circle.
Circle. Anya ba the gitings nga circle gaya?
Ball.
Very good. O sinunod edit ka niya ng chart ni cylinder. Yes, Ariana Grande. Ni cylinder kit ang dati manong edge na. Okay. Ni cylinder baka nung ang dati duwa nga edge na.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, manong ang circular faces na. 2. Okay, correct man yung ni Ariana. Correct mo lang yung ni Lira Tatay. Okay, sino tayo ang tingnan ng mga Fredilas? Any other hands? Yes, Presley. O, sino? Sino kayo kaya? Sige, Lira man din. Wow, nag-active talaga ni Lira. Okay, check tayo. Nagawin yung tsura ni Cole? Kaslangan? Ice cream. O, manuti corner ni ice cream? 1. Manungan ni face na. May sama circular face. Tapos may sama circular edge. Okay. Ikan tayo ti. Gaputa correct tayo amin. Ikan tayo ti self tayo ti. Wonderful Club. Amo iti Wonderful Club?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, gasto i-demonstrate ko kayo lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saan gaya? Ano? 5, 4, 3, 2, wonderful. O sige, clap. Let's clap ourselves. A wonderful clap. 1, 2, 3, go.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Wonderful. Very good. Naglalain sila. O, tatan. Nawatan niyo di discussion tayo?
Yes, ma'am.
O, tingnan the group activity.
Ma'am.
Okay, tatan na dati group activity tayo. May prepare ni teacher. Okay. For group 1, di aramidin niyo good. At dati puzzle. Laking kaya niya ganun di puzzle.
Ma'am.
Okay, di group 1, di
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. answer the riddle, the given riddle or puzzle, and write your answer on the boxes below. Taptan, answeran nyo kanong dyan, riddle. Tapos i-answer nyo, ikabi nyo dito'y boxes. Okay. For the group 2, or you hold this first. Let's wait for the group 2. The group 2 math is yang tadi aramin ganda. Okay, kuna naman dito'y basahan nyo man.
Give the three examples of each of the following 3D objects or 3D geometric shapes.
Okay, kunanan, dito kayo kami talong example of this each geometric shapes. Okay, naawatan tayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You hold that first at the right. And before you start the activity tayo, dati rubrics ni teacher. Pag-usahan nga dati rubrics. Pag-basean mo niya, tikas na tayo nga ag-score in words nyo. Okay. Rubrics. Correctness. Niya ba di correctness? Nung correct din in-answer yung dito activities, yung ikat na kayo in 10 points. Cooperation. Kung kita ka nagtulong-tulong kayo, o di nagtutugaw lang, I will give you 5 points. Tapos neatness, nung nalinis ba, data papers you. Ikat na kayo matiti, 5. Time management, agree na kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. No time management, yung no malpas yun, the activity into kinyayo within the given time, ikanda kayo ti, 5 points. Okay, tata, the ikakot arami din nyo within 5 minutes. Okay. Di group 1, dito kayo. And group 2, dito kayo mo. Stay. Okay, your timer starts now. Kawatin yung mga usto, guys. Question. Mabalin nyo ituloy dito yung babanan. Okay, we still have 4 minutes more. Minutes to go. Okay, at done. In 2 minutes tayo manabati. Ma'am, finish. Wow, naglalain si group 1 while waiting. Okay, at tugaw kayo pa.
Ma'am, finish!
Wow, naglalain sila. Okay. Group 1, kaya ko, I need one to explain you. Group 1 first, you sit down, the rest of you. Okay, the group 1, i-present the jai, inaramid da. Ready ba ti group 1? Ready na sila. Ready na sila. Okay, kailangan ti may isa mag-present. You present the activity in around you.
Number 1, I have a flat base, but I'm not a table. I have a point at the top, but I'm not a pencil. I have sides that meet at a point, but I'm not a star. What am I?
Ano answer na?
Pyramid, ma'am.
Very correct na ta. Okay, number 2.
I'm shaped like a box, so fine. 6 faces I have, all rectangular in design. What am I? Rectangular faces, ma'am.
Okay, next.
I have a round base, but I don't roll. I have a point at the top, but I'm not sharp. I can hold an ice cream, but I'm not a bowl. What am I? Cone, ma'am.
Okay, next.
I have no corners, no edge, and no flat base. I can roll in any directions, but I'm not a wheel. What am I? Sphere, ma'am.
Okay, next.
I have 6 square pieces, all the same size. I have flat edges, all the same length. I have 8 corners, but no curves inside. What am I? Cube, ma'am.
Okay, tatan, iskoran tayo no anya. Pas ano? No, pas ano? How did the group 1 did well in their activity? Okay, check tayo. Number 1, correct ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3 nga.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, correctness. Ikagay group 1 ini. And, ha? Correct amin the answer na. Cooperation, nag-cooperate ka ba amin?
Yes, ma'am.
Awan nagtutugaw?
Awan, ma'am.
Awan lang ng buy-buya?
Awan, ma'am.
Okay, takda kayo man ng iti. 5 points. Neatness, naninis ba kayo?
No.
No, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Quiet, quiet. Okay. Di inaramid ti group 1 well, neat, pero at dati, basit nga, erasure da. So nga, I will give them 4 points. Time management. Pinampas ba ti group 1 ni naramid da? Which is
Yes.
needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Itakda kayo ti 5 points with a total of ano? 10 plus 5?
50.
Plus 4?
90.
Plus 5?
24.
24. Okay, ay abang po ti group 2 na i-present da dyan inaramid da.
Give the 3 examples of each of the
Face your
following
classmates.
following 3D objects or 3D geometric shapes. The 3 example of cube is dice, ice cube, and give. And number 2, cylinder. The 3 example of the cylinder is can, water bottle, and battery. Number 3 is sphere. The 3 example of sphere is globe, ball, and marble. Then number 4, rectangular prism. The 3 examples of rectangular prisms are shoebox, brick, and book. And number 5, cone. The 3 examples of cone is ice cream cone, birthday hat, and funnel. And last, number 6, pyramid. The 3 examples of pyramids are slice of Toblerone chocolate and chocolate bar, slice of watermelon, and pen.
Okay, very good. Mati, group 2. Okay, scorean tayo, no? Kas ano, ti, kinapintas, kinamayat, kinalainda, managaramid. Okay. Correctness, correct ba ang hindi examples da?
Yes.
Okay, correct. Naglalain talaga. And, okay, cooperation, nagtulong-tulong kayo ba?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Quiet, quiet, nagtutulong lang.
Magtumulong na piman.
Yung kastada, niya titulong da.
Ma'am, nag-ibagada ti answer.
Okay, nagtulong na kaya. Baka siguro nalpas naman timulong. Nagpagagapit iso tinakita kayo. Okay, kantay iso dati. Five, na nag-ooperate da. Very good. Okay, nalinis ba?
Yes,
ma'am!
Yes.
No, ma'am!
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
quiet, Chris, quiet. Okay, nalinis.
Walang wrong.
Ma'am, ano malas? Wala, ang kamalasin pero nalinis ang erasure da. Correct ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Ikan tayo sa dati.
Boys.
Okay. How about time management? Natin daw within 5 minutes?
Yes,
Okay, mabalik ko muna na kayo nalpas within 5 minutes. Pero iso dahil naramdamat lang 5 minutes, di muna na kayo lang. Okay? Ayan. Okay, dati, ikan tayo iso dati. 5 points. Okay. Bilangan kayo lumano. 5 plus 10 plus 5, 15. Plus 5, 20 plus 5, at sa, ano yung baga? Hanggang sa unang kartisa mo, you and listen. Very good. Okay, matudya yung score da? Okay. Ikan tayo ti. Very good clap. Gagyay. Group 2. Kasi ti very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Jai. Jai. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good.
Okay, quiet. Di group naman ikan tayo iso da iti.
Good.
No. Nice clap. Okay. Nice clap with kastoy. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Your work is nice. Katujay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Aramin din tayo.
1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Your work is nice.
Okay, very good. Let's clap for ourselves. Okay, for your assignment, I have. Anya gan binada tayo tata?
About 3D dimension.
Okay, about 3-dimensional objects. Mano di nada tayo mga 3D objects?
Six.
Anya nagiyay karot?
Cube, cylinder, sphere, rectangular prism, cone, and pyramid.
Very good. O, dito kayo man example ti cube. Sino di ba dito? Okay, yes. Okay. Nanamin mo ti example ti cylinder. Okay. Very good. Anya mo ti example ti sphere. Yes, Dira. Okay, nya ti marble. Pag-usahin ni Jolen. Very good. Okay, kayo mo ti G, rectangular prism. Okay, nya ti example ni rectangular prism. Anyone from the class? Okay, Ariana. Books. Okay. Anya mo ti cone.
Ma'am,
Okay.
birthday hat.
Wow. Napapala si birthday?
Yes, ma'am.
Kita dati birthday hat na ijay?
Yes, ma'am.
Pagkabilang kayo di birthday hat? Uno.
Uno.
Okay, di puno. Okay, di mo ijay? Pyramid. Ano yung example ni pyramid? 10. Yes? Very good. Okay. Importante ba si 3D, 3-dimensional objects? Para kanya tayo?
Yes, ma'am.
having our individual activity wherein you will bring out 1/4 sheet of pad paper. Takno, isurat yo, ay answeran yo dagitoy, isurat ko. Okay, you bring out 1/4 sheet of pad paper. Okay, you bring out 1/4 sheet of pad paper and you copy this one. You copy the instruction also. You copy this on your paper. You keep quiet also. You write your name and the date today. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to finish the task. Finish. Now, okay, you pass your paper in front of you in the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, wow. Okay, okay, for your assignment, in a short bond paper, ang drawing kayo ti any 3D objects. Kung iji baba na, you draw yung anya ba nga 3-dimensional object i-represent na, whether cube, cone, pyramid, rectangular prism, anya pa, cone, gun, sphere, and cylinder. Okay. Ikadilyo, iji baba na nun niya diya nga 3D object na i-represent na, i-drawing nyo. And then, iji bottom part of it, iji baba na, ngayon, isurat yun na niya ti importance anya ti usar na diya iti panagbiag yun no kasi ano da kayo nga matulungan. And next meeting, i-share yun to iti classmates yun ti explanation yun. Nawatan yung class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye.